Welcome to the informative new Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the network and internet. Now just tap here to the internet and click once on the Wi-Fi switcher, and you'll activate the Wi-Fi by this way. And now you can see here all the available networks that we can just select and to connect to them. For example, we'll go with this one. Here just you should enter your password. In my case that's from 1 to 8. Here you can click on the checkbox and to see the password to have no some mistakes, and then just connect. Click here to connect, and as can you see our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select another one. Just first click here on the settings icon, click to the disconnect or just to forget, and now by the same way select one from these networks, and then just here if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, click once again on the switcher. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel right there, and here click on the internet icon. Now just you'll see here the Wi-Fi switcher. Click once on the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi, and you'll see the same Wi-Fi settings, and you can select one from the networks, enter the passcode, pin code, and then just to connect, and then click here to done. And if you want to just turn it off, you should click here again on the switcher to turn it off. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.